All right, we're back. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is December 30th, 2019. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. We have had a bit of a pullback here. Nastiness pulling back. Now, a couple things. I'm not running for the hills yet, because this 20-day moving average is holding. However, we did get a close below the 9. I believe that a back test of the 20-day was necessary and needed a back test before we possibly punch higher. If you measure from the top here down, we did get very close to the 786 pullback. With a pullback that's respectful, nice, respectful pullback before possibly pushing higher. Our last pullback wasn't that big off of here, off of this one, which is okay. Let's pull that down and see where we got to. Yeah, we only got to the 0.5, but this time we almost got to the 786. So I am pretty happy about the way things worked out here. We just need to get a nice turnaround at this point. Now, when do I go bearish? It's when we cross below that 20-day moving average at this point. Look at this chart. You notice that when you look at it, we have big consolidation here. It's starting to narrow up, get a little bit more tight in our range. But so long as we're above that 20-day moving average, I got to give it a little wiggle room to finish out its consolidation before possibly bouncing higher. So that being said, I'm going to stay in it for now. That's my mentality on this. And if it goes below that 20-day, I'll be excited to exit the trade. Now let's move this out of here. Remember, the upside potential is still very great in my opinion. We have had pretty close to 2 touches at the 50-day moving average. I think as price action kind of works its way up to it, pressure will build on this 50-day and you'll get that break moment, hopefully to the upside. If this 20-day moving average doesn't hold, we can exit the trade and hopefully pick it up a little bit lower, maybe even $1,000 lower before buying back in. I do understand that people are talking about a possible fractal here. I don't trade fractals. I don't put much weight in those trades. If you look at this big up and bouncing sideways and then sell off down consolidation and then a big up, we had the same thing here where we had some nice sell off consolidation and now we're looking for a bounce. So yeah, it's possible that the fractal will play out, but I don't want to play with that. So I don't trade it according to fractals. Okay, so Bitcoin USD, I'm staying in it. LTC BTC, let's check this one out. Still looking good above the 9. I would stay in that. Hey, you guys, in the KG2 trade, LTC is the racehorse to be in. It has been for a while, since this day here on the 28th of December. So that's just letting you know what's going on there. LTC, stay in it. LTC USD, stay in it also. Looking good. We have targets higher up. We'll see where it takes us. Hopefully as high as 56. That would be great. ETH, BTC is 0.018 and a stay in it situation. I like where it's at. It's okay to consolidate. I like this. This is good. ETH USD is at 131. Stay in it. Looking good. Tezos. Tezos BTC is still a stay out of it situation. It's been selling off for quite a bit. Ever since 13th of December, this has been in total sell-off mode. That's okay. Notice how it went below the 50, came back tested it. Now I'm looking for more down. We're probably going to touch that Kumo cloud certainly soon and hit in these lower ranges at a possible 618 or 786 pullback. Tezos, BTC, stay out of it. XTZ, which is Tezos USD, is at $1.30 and is suffering the same fate. It doesn't look like there's this 0.5 pullback, and it's not going to hold. I think it's going to pull back a little further there. So stay out of that. Bitcoin Cash BTC is at 0.028. I like it. Boy, that is looking good. Resting confidently higher than the 50-day moving average. We'll see what happens here. I don't want to jump the gun and sell too early. I believe our target at the 618 is coming at the 0.030. We got a little ways to go before we get up there. That'll be real nice. Stay in it. Bitcoin Cash USD, stay in it also. ETH Classic BTC is running. Wow, looking good. We didn't ever get a real pullback. I like how it came back and touched that. It came back and touched that 200-day moving average. Our buyback on the 9 was not complete, and for me, this is a great entry point again with a flush trade. We don't want this thing to take off without us. So, that being said, I'm going to get back in it. Boom. This would be, for me, about a flush trade. I'm not sure why this didn't save last time, because buybacks on the 9 should be circled. Or maybe I didn't even circle it. That's quite possible, too. Let's check this one out. Yeah. ETH Classic. I'm just going to get in it. I think we're going to run up a little higher. We're probably going to hit that 786. I'm not sure if the 618 is, we did hit that 618 already. That is interesting. I don't like that. That is interesting to me. If you get in this like I am in right here, I would put a short stop on it. Okay. ETC USD is $4.68 and is moving more towards the upside again. You know what? I'm going to change my mind on this. It's okay to let it sit and marinate. But I actually like the amount of bounce that it's given already. And I'm just ready to take it off the table. I would keep this one as a buyback on the 9 possibly, or even just turn it into a sell. Honestly, I don't like this positioning here. You'd be buying the top pretty much. It could go higher, right? But how much higher is it going to go? Maybe the 200-day moving average, possibly. Well, let's go back to Ethereum Classic BTC and say this is not a buy. Let's do this. If it breaks its all-time high, we'll get in it. How about that? There's a stop buy. Because you got out in good position here, right? And we're waiting for a buyback on the 9. It never came, but instead it bounced higher. Now we're consolidating. Let's see. I would buy over this purple line, 000664. And as far as this one's concerned, I would do the same darn thing. So there you go. All right. So we're going to leave that there. Still potential buys on the 9, but not there yet. XRP BTC. Yeah, I feel better about that decision. XRP BTC. Let's see how this is. No, don't like it. XRP USD is at 19 cents. Stay out of it. EOS. Oh boy, man! Everybody's been coughing and sneezing around here, and now I got it. Ooh. EOS BTC, stay in it. EOS USD, looking good. Stay in that also. Getting a little bit of consolidation here, right on the 9. I like this. This is comfortable. Stellar Lumens BTC is still a sell. Stay out of it. Stellar Lumens USD is still a sell also. Rep BTC, stay out of it. Yeah, you don't want none of that. Rep USD is at $9.02. Stay out of it. How about 0x BTC? Stay out of it. See how it punched up and then it kind of faked us out and is now going lower? Glad we didn't buy into that. 0x USD, also a stay out of it situation. ZEC BTC, stay out of it. Looking pretty much the same fate. ZEC USDC, stay out of it. Algo USD, stay out of it. Link USD on the 1 day, stay out of it. Link USD is at $1.81. And yeah, it doesn't look good. Boy, that's a nasty candle today too. BAT USDC is still looking good. I like this. Boy, we had a pretty decent entry here on this. I like this big candle here. Liking that a lot. In hindsight, it might have been good to get a buy-in right around here where we had a target pullback. We knew this target pullback was going to give us at least a bounce, maybe even buy in 10% of your full stack that you'd be willing to buy into BAT, just to see where it would take you. But BAT, looking good. I'd stay in it. GNT USDC, not a buy yet. I would stay clear of it for now. Mana USD it's a buyback on the 9. We would have got that already today. I like this. So we did get a buyback on the 9. So we're back in it right here, right? On this one where we did get the 9. We got a touch. Mana USD is now green. I like it. It's pulling back. We got to watch this, that it doesn't come down even lower. So you bought on the 9. That's great. Now set your stop. Give it a little breather. Okay. You don't want to lose too much because you've done really good on this trade so far. So give it a little breather. It might ping pong. We need consolidation above the 9. But Mana looking good. Loom. How's Loom looking? Could go bullish. That was my last note to myself on this. And it's been selling off ever since. We did have a really great day here. But after that, just going down. Loom, stay out of it. Civic, CVC. This is an odd one. We did get some nice bullish breakout, and now it's consolidating. It's still above the 9, and I like its position now above the 20. So stay in it. DNT. Now, DNT, we got a buy in, and now it is living below the 9. I'm not happy about this one at all. And a lot of my indicators are now rolling over with this big red candle. So what I'm going to do is, it's okay. From our entry point to where we would exit here on the 9, I would say just dump it. Don't try to hang on to it for too long. DNT, we're out of it. Hey, tomorrow it could look like a great day for it, but today it doesn't look good, and we want to cut losses quickly without emotion. Just get out of it. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, we're going to go back to that. We're going to rally back over to Bitcoin. I want to look at a few other indicators. If it breaks below that 20-day moving average, I want to get out, right? Maybe let's zoom in a little bit and pull this up. Maybe 7150, right? If it breaks below that, I'd be looking to get to bail on this puppy. But for right now, I'm comfortable riding in it. I've been riding in it for 32, 35 days, something like that. I don't mind this. This is okay. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Total market cap is $187 billion and looking a lot like Bitcoin. Consolidating, we need some uplift, and Bitcoin dominance is 69.84 currently and rolling over. Now, how is this going to work? Is it rolling over because, boy, this dominance thing doesn't look good at all. Is it rolling over because it just needs to retest that 20-day roughly? It is above the Kumo cloud on the daily. I'm feeling bullish about this. Our pullback has been, let's see, well, our bounce has actually been to the 618 right there, and now it's pulling back. Let's see if it can hold the Kumo cloud, right? That's really what we're looking at long term. It could take a couple weeks for us to break below this, but if it does, you know, your Bitcoin's going to go down probably a lot more. Alrighty. Others dominance, let's take a look at that. Come on, you can load. There you go. Others dominance is coming in for the daily chart, resting on the Kumo cloud. It doesn't look very good for others dominance at this point in time. All right, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. Good luck on your trading. Kind of a little bit of a pullback day, but not too bad. Rest of the chart's looking good. Winners today are BTC, LTC, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, BAT, and Mana. All right. Oh, Civic also. Okay, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. Talk to you later. I'm out.